Welcome students. Now questions on integration. Question: evaluate integration x squared dx by 1 plus x to the power 4. So we will solve this question. Before going to solve, one advice is watch this video without any break. If there is any break, everything will not be understandable. Now start the question. Write the question first. Integration four. See here, in the numerator x square function and denominator 1 plus x to the power 4. Both are polynomial function. But the thing is, numerator is not differentiation of denominator. Also, not degree, not theta is equal to the denominator. So how to do this? See how to do this. Now here right hand side doing something. Write x square is equal to x square plus 1 minus 1 plus x square. See, is the equality maintained? X square plus x square 2x square, here is 1x square. 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. So here should write to maintain the equality. Now group x square plus 1 plus right here x square minus 1. See what we have done this. Actually, we will try to express numerator such that is the derivative of denominator. Simply, if we think derivative of 1 plus x to the power 4 is equal to 3x cube, so here we are unable to bring x cube. But if we write this x plus 1 by x, we are able to do this. Then derivative of that x square plus 1 by x square, and next if we express that x plus 1 by x whole square, then it may be able to solve. So first write this thing. So integration, writing in place of x square half of this, so half x square plus 1 plus x square minus 1 by x4 plus 1, writing this way. Okay, any problem? No problem. Now half, divide numerator and denominator by x square. So what will be numerator? Each term divided by x square, that means 1 plus 1 by x square plus 1 minus 1 by x square by x square dividing by x square plus 1 by x square. First break into two parts. Now here writing draw a line, it will be better to understand. That is equal to half, break into two parts, 1 plus 1 by x square by, now writing x square plus 1 by x square such that after derivative of that denominator will be this function. See, if we write this way, x plus 1 by x is equal to y. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. 1 minus 1 by x square dx is equal to dy. Is it clear? Now if we write x minus 1 by x that of square not equal to t, differentiate this 1 plus 1 by x square dx is equal to dt. So for the case of 1 plus 1 by x square, we will express x square plus 1 by x square in terms of this. So write x square plus 1 by x square by this way, x minus 1 by x square plus 2. See how it is written. Now here is doing to show a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Another way we can write a minus b whole square plus 2ab. These are the formulas from algebra. Next part, plus 1 minus 1 by x square dx by, here we will write x plus 1 by x that of square. Here see x plus is minus 2ab minus 2. Simply we have written 2, not ab terms here. Here see a is x, b is 1 by x. X will get cancelled, we need not write. Next thing, half integration dx. Here also we should write dx. Now substitute x plus 1 by x, x minus 1 by x, here t. Therefore numerator dt, denominator t square plus 2. Now writing root 2 that of square, because next we will use formula, plus 1 minus 1 by x square dx dt. Dx is equal to dy. So integration breaking into two parts, dy by x plus 1 by x y minus root 2 that of square. Here either we should third bracket or half we will write. So this is the formula. What formula we will use? Integration formula. Integration formula writing here, integration dx by a square plus x square that is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a, that is equal to 1 by 2. A means 1 by a means 1 by root 2 tan inverse x by a. X means here t, a means root 2, plus there is also a formula, see we are not using the formula, dy, factorize this, y plus root 2 into y minus root 2. Now let this is I1 plus I2. We have assumed this way because we will do only now this. I2 is equal to now half integration dy y plus root 2 y minus root 2. Now write factorizing here. See how it is done. We can write this 1 by y plus root 2 into y minus root 2 is equal to a by y plus root 2 plus b some constant y minus root 2. That is equal to now 1 is equal to a y minus root 2 plus b y plus root 2. To find the value of a and b, put y is equal to root 2. In that case, this term will be 0. See, put y is equal to root 2. Then root 2 plus root 2, 2 root 2. So here directly writing 1 by 2 root 2. Now put y is equal to minus root 2. Then this term will be 0. So this will be minus root 2 minus 2 root 2. So a is equal to 1 by minus 1 by 2 root 2. Now express this by these two terms. So half integration, first writing a negative terms contains, so writing first b these terms. B means 1 by 2 root 2. 1 by 2 root 2 may, first writing this 1 by 2 root 2 b, then means 1 by 2 root 2 1 by y minus root 2 plus, we may take out common, 1 by y plus root 2 dy. Now integrate. Now take out this 1 by 4 root 2. This is formula is log of y minus root 2, should take mod plus log y plus root 2. That is equal to 1 by 4 root 2 using the logarithm formula. So original integration is integration x square by 1 plus x to the power 4 dx, that is equal to I1 means 1 by 2 root 2 tan inverse t by root 2. T means x minus 1 by x, means x square minus 1 by x. What is root 2? Root 2 plus I2 means 1 by 4 root 2 log of y means what is x plus 1 by x, that means x square plus 1 minus root 2 by x. Y plus root 2 means x by x square plus 1 plus root 2. X get cancelled. So finally the answer is 1 by 2 root 2. Globally we may take common, tan inverse x square minus 1 by x root 2 plus 2 root 2 taken out common, half log x square, first writing root 2 terms plus 1, here also writing plus, we should write integrating constant, here also should write plus c plus c. C is called integrating constant. So this is the question solved. If it is relevant to you, please subscribe, share your friends, and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.